atong alandong mayor, Atty. Alexis Kina, sa akong mga kauban sa Sangguniang Bayan in attendance, Kagawad Edsel Nono, Kagawad Ontod Ramon, Kagawad Tieng Osyones, Kagawad Digaya Aganap, Kagawad-elect Stephen Cobillo, Kagawad Alvin Suaso, o sa ato sa guest speaker karong gabi na, Atty. Redemer Valmores, sa atong mga bisita nga mga balikbayan, sa mga katawhan sa Balingasag, mga Balingasagnon, mayong gabi. This morning, we started our Araw ng Balingasag celebration with a civic parade. It was a very successful one, participated by many civic organizations. Tonight, the Balingasag Night is the finale of our celebration of Araw ng Balingasag. With this, I would like to welcome our guests from overseas, our guest speaker, Atty. Redemer Valmores, to all the Balingasagnon, to join us witness of Balingasag Night celebration. Balingasag is a very, very progressive town. It's because of the cooperation of our Balingasagnon people. I wish that all of us, Balingasagnon, will start a new beginning. Let's forget the past. Let's forget the May 12 election. Let's come together, join hand in hand for the progress of our town, Balingasag. With this, I will welcome you all for our tonight's celebration of Araw ng Balingasag. Daghang salamat o mayong gabi.
Daghang salamat, Vice Mayor.
Okay, thank you so much.